How to prepare your quarterly trading plan. Traders, welcome. Reacting to the market week by week is a losing game. The most consistent traders operate from a plan. As we approach a new quarter, it's time to build yours. Today, I'll walk you through the exact steps to create a clear, actionable quarterly trading plan. 1. Conduct a quarterly post-mortem start by looking back before planning forward. Review your trades. Analyze your last quarter's wins and losses. What was your win rate? Average profit versus average loss. Identify your top mistake, e.g., revenge trading, moving stops. Assess market conditions. Was it a trending or ranging quarter? Did your strategy fit the environment? This tells you if you need to adapt your approach. 2. Define your quarterly macro thesis. You must have a narrative. Based on the big picture, answer one question. What is the single most important theme for the next quarter? Examples: the Fed will hold rates higher for longer, or AI momentum will slow, causing a rotation into value. This thesis guides all your higher probability setups. 3. Set clear, realistic goals. Goals must be specific, measurable, and process-oriented. Not this, make more money. Do this, achieve a 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio on 60% of trades, or limit maximum weekly drawdown to 3%. Track these in your FXCM platform journal. 4. Outline your strategy and rules. This is your playbook for the quarter's expected conditions. Primary strategy. If your thesis is a ranging USD, your strategy might be range trading key currency pairs with defined support/resistance. Risk parameters. Define your maximum risk per trade, e.g. 1% of capital, and daily loss limit, e.g. 3%. Use FXCM's deal ticket to preset your lot size. Conditions to avoid. List the scenarios where you will not trade, e.g., the first 15 minutes after major news during low-volume holiday sessions. 5. Schedule your weekly review. A plan is useless without review. Block 30 minutes each Friday. Ask, did I follow my rules? Does my thesis still hold? Use this to make small weekly adjustments, not emotional daily changes. A quarterly plan turns you from a gambler into a strategic manager of your own trading business. Build it, write it down, and use the tools on FXCM to execute it with discipline. Commit to the process, and the results will follow. Thanks for watching.